We built our houses high, sang songs in sacred halls, but outside in the shadow, we ignored the weakest cause. Gold was on the table, pride was in the air, yet the poor were left with burdens that nobody would bear. Then a shepherd from the silence came with fire in his bones, not polished by the system, but sent to shake the stones. He said the Lord is watching what religion tries to hide, and worship without justice is an empty sound of pride. You don't want our songs if our hearts stay hard. You don't want our hands raised while we break what's scarred. Let justice roll like a river, let righteousness run deep. Not just words from our lips, Lord, but mercy in the streets. Teach us how to love what you love, to stand where the hurting are. Let justice roll like a river from our hearts to where they are. Yeah, Amos wasn't raised in the courts of power, just a shepherd in the field, but he spoke in the hour. Peace in the nation, money in the land, but the poor got crushed by the rich man's hand. Everything looked clean on the surface outside, but corruption ran deep where the truth should reside. Yeah, God said I see it, I'm not fooled by the show. I hear the songs, but I'm watching how you treat the low. That's heavy, covenant means responsibility. Chosen by grace means living with humility. Not more performance, not religious display, but justice in the action of the life you live each day. Jesus said it too, to the proud in their robes. You tied every leaf, but ignore heavier road. Justice, mercy, faithfulness, that's the weight of the law. You can't claim to know God and still wound the poor. Holy Spirit asking what's flowing through your stream. Is it love for the broken or a self-centered dream? So I'm checking my heart, letting ego decrease, cause true worship looks like righteousness and peace. You hear the cry of laborers, the tears are hidden weep. You walk beside the weary and the ones that powerful cheat. Your justice is not distant, your mercy is not small. You care for every crushed soul, you see and know it all. So break the walls within me that keep me safe and blind, and plant your holy burden deep inside my mind. Let what I sing on Sunday become the life I live, a witness of your kingdom and the love I choose to give. Make my worship true, make my motives clean. Let my life bear fruit where your heart has been. Let justice roll like a river, let righteousness run deep. Not just words from our lips, but mercy in the street. Teach us how to love what you love, to stand where the hurting are. Let justice roll like a river from our hearts to where they are. Jesus, you walked among the poor, open mercy's healing door. You are the light, you are the way. Teach us how to live today. Salt of earth and city bright, send us now into the night. Holy Spirit, lead us still, shape our hearts to do your will. So let the river start in me, wash my pride and let me see that worship's more than melody. It's justice, truth, and charity. And where this broken world has scars, Lord, make my life a healing part. Let justice roll like a river from our hearts to where they are.